Set, go. Good job, you did it.
No, I do it 2 times, okay?
Okay. Is it cold?
One more.
Is it cold?
Yeah, I just want to do it one more time.
Okay.
And then one.
Chilly.
Then I'll do one. Then I'll do one more, okay?
Okay.
One more, okay?
You're like a fish.
One more.
Okay.
Oh, wait. That's like an S.
Right.
That is an S.
That is an S. You're right. Smarty pants. Whoa! Put your hat on the driveway so it dries off, okay?
Yeah. So silly. Can I lean down?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sit down?
Yeah.
And I can swim?
Yeah. Whoa!
When you go in the pool, I can't eat that kind.
Eat what?
Eat the pool in the... What?
Bee flew in my face.
It's okay. These are nice.
Okay.
See, one just flew in my face and then it'll go over here and then I won't be scared. I won't tip my head over.
Okay. We have to go in for lunch in a minute, okay?
Can I stick my head on my back?
Stick your head on your back?
Yeah, and my footy goes in the water. And then I like this.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's gonna be really cold.
I know.
Oh, there's a pollen
There's pollen.
going up in the air. It's gonna be real cold, okay?
Okay. Oh, you did it! You are brave. Oh, don't do that. I don't want to get my phone wet.
I do it again.
Okay, last time, and then we're going to go in, okay?
Lean back. Like I'm saying, all the way in.
Good job. Does it feel good?
Yeah, I just want to stay.
That's a really big tubby.
I can smell the smoke.
Yeah? What? What are we going to... What? Oh, don't do that, Eva.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, you ready to go in?
Yeah.
Say bye to the camera.
No.